Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be riding the 472, one of London's bus routes to be withdrawn in 2026, and to discuss the two new bus services replacing it. To properly start off my journey, I'm catching the 472 from here in North Greenwich bus station to the eastern terminus of Abbey Wood. So for a bit of background on the 472. It is currently operated by Stagecoach London using double-decker buses and runs 24 hours a day at a PVR of 16 buses during the day and 3 buses during the night. So why are they scrapping the route? TfL are replacing the 472 with two new bus routes, one express during the day and a slow night bus between midnight and 5 AM. The express route will be the SL11, running between North Greenwich and Abbey Wood, using existing 472 bus stops, while skipping some to make an express service. This new Superloop route coming in 2026 will be operated by Go Ahead London Central from their Morden Wharf bus garage in Greenwich. The SL11 PVR has been so far confirmed to be 20 vehicles, and here's a list of all of them to compare. Furthermore, the SL11 express service would run 7 days a week, operating between approximately 5 AM and midnight, every 8 minutes during Monday to Saturday daytimes and every 10 minutes on Monday to Saturday evenings, and every 12 minutes during Sundays. At night, the night 472 stopping service would run 7 days a week, operating between approximately midnight and 5 AM every 30 minutes Monday to Sunday. With the new SL11 in Woolwich Town Centre, eastbound towards Abbey Wood, the SL11 would serve bus stop K, Woolwich Station. However, it will not serve the following bus stops: bus stop Y for John Wilson Street, Powis Street, bus stop T for Thomas Street and Green's End, and bus stop N for Woolwich Arsenal Station. At Woolwich Centre westbound towards North Greenwich, the SL11 would serve bus stop D, Woolwich Station, but it will not serve the following bus stops: bus stop U for Beresford Square, Woolwich Arsenal Station, and bus stop A for Woolwich Ferry. Anyways, I hope this video helped, and make sure to check out this route before it's gone. So thank you guys for sticking around this far, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Grove Park one open, let me see. The Grove Park one.